to our channel, Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Graycie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support. We're going to do another version of our old video,
French braid wrap. So let's get started.
Anything I use in this tutorial, I'll leave a link in the description box below. I went ahead and did a French braid on this side because it's going to take way too long to do both sides in this film. So if you want to know how to do a French braid, go ahead and click right there. Okay, so I'm just going to start up here, take a small section, and I'm going to make it in a triangle section. See how it's a triangle right here? From here to there. It's going to be a triangle. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and split this into 3 equal parts. I'm going to start a stitch of a braid, so the left goes over the middle. This time I'm going to scoop up a small section right here, just a little bit, maybe an inch, right there. Okay? Pick it up and put it on that side. Add it to the strand. Then I'm going to go and take the right and bring it over the middle. And I'm going to go ahead and scoop up a section right here. See where it ends? I'm going to scoop that up right there and add it to this section. Smooth that out. Start another stitch of a braid so the left goes over the middle. Scoop up a section right here and add it to that strand. Look up a little. Thank you. And now we take the right over the middle. This is all repeated. Scoop up a section right here, right to where that ends, right there. You want to align it with that other side. And add it to that strand, smooth it out. And go ahead and do a stitch of a braid. The left goes over the middle. Pick up a section right here. Smooth it out, and then stitch of a braid. Scoop up a section on the right side and add it to that strand and smooth it out. And you're just going to repeat all the way down to the end. Again, like I said, go ahead and click that link in that corner and it will take you to a French braid from start to finish. I'm going to go a little faster for time purposes only. Okay, so now that we have 2 braids all done from start to finish here, we're going to take both of them, we're going to crisscross them over. It doesn't matter which side, it doesn't really matter. We're just going to crisscross them over, and we're going to go ahead and just wrap it around her head. We're going to take some bobby pins and secure them off. I'm going to put a little hairspray. And there you have it. A final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now, if there's a style that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comments below.
We love feedback, so let us know your success and follow our videos or parts you might be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button.
If you like these videos, please help to support us by clicking the super thanks heart icon and donating to our channel. Any amount is appreciated, or try the products we use through the links in the description.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up
And click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
to watch more of us. Click on over there. We love you guys. See you next time.
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye guys, have a great week and God bless.